What's up, y'all, and welcome back to the Grim Runner. I got another video for y'all today, man. This one is gonna be short and simple, man. It's time to plasti-dip the emblems on the back of the Challenger, man. Time to get rid of that hideous chrome. But first, before we jump into it, if you're new to the channel, first off, I want to say thank you for tuning in to the video. I appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button, and hit the like button one more time. Make sure you drop a comment, man, because I'm trying to build my community up. Now, before we jump into the video, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all really quick. I have the car kind of prepped out already, as you can see. Have it already masked up already because it's kind of windy outside, and I just want to get it done before the sun start going down and while it's still a little bit warm outside. So you know what, we about to go ahead and stop the talking and we about to jump right into it. Alright, y'all, so we about to go ahead and jump right into it. I actually just wiped the emblems down one more time with my handy dandy microfiber cloth. Everything is looking real nice and real neat. Now, I'm smiling right now because my little neighbor kids just came. They screwed me up in the middle of my first video, my first recording. They wanted to know what I was doing, so I found that pretty funny. But yeah, man, we about to go ahead and jump right into it. I'm gonna put one base layer on here first, and then we gonna wait maybe about 10-15 minutes before we go ahead and add the second coat, and then we gonna do the same for the third, we gonna do the same for the fourth, and make sure that we get a solid and thick enough coat so by the end it'll be easy to go ahead and pull off. So yeah, man, let's go ahead and jump right into that first coat, man. All right, y'all, so here we go with the first coat. Shake the can up a little bit. Go ahead and hit it real light, and boom. You know what? That's it for that first coat. We go actually just let that dry up a little bit. The emblem is still slightly a little bit of chrome on it. You can still kind of see some of the chrome through. That's just the base layer. We gonna let this dry up for about 10-15 minutes, and we will come back with the second, the third, and the fourth coat. We basically go we're gonna repeat the steps.
I know what you're looking for. DJ, won't you play a song? She can't do no wrong, so won't you come along? I'm trying to take you home just to show you can't do it like me. Do it like me. No, you can't do it like me. Do it like me. No, you can't do it like me. Do it like me. No, you can't do it like me. Do it like me. All eyes on me when I come through. Let me kiss it all night like I want to.
Alright, y'all, so we back. We laid out the final layer. So now it's time to go ahead and take the rest of this tape off. Now, before I turned the camera back on, I went ahead and took the rest of that brown paper off. I just wanted to kind of get everything together and square it away to make it a little bit easier for the final peel off. So yeah, man, let's just go ahead and jump right into it, and everything should just peel off pretty easily now. Let's see.
Baby looking for some love, put the Henny in my cup, make me wanna fuck. We blowing bands in the club, I can see it in your eyes, you wanna fuck with a thug. Girl, it's not easy, cause you on my mind, we running out of time. Girl, jump in with me on this ride one time, I know you wanna be mine. I know you know, I know, girl, I know you know, I know, girl. You're looking real fly, she put her panties to the side, I got her dripping like wine.
Alright, y'all, and we are back. Finally got it done. It's dark outside, so I got the light beaming on the car right now. I actually had to let it dry a little bit longer than usual and go back over to G because I kind of screwed up at the end, but I got it fixed and it's looking real good, man. Got rid of that chrome, black on black with the red tail lights, with the red RT badge. Absolutely ridiculous, man. You cannot beat that plasti-dip. So if you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up, help the community grow, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in, and I'll be back on Friday with another video.